Welcome to Wonderland Sweden. My name's Rebecca and I create educational tools with the help of my XTool P2 and Creative Space. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin.
So what we want to do is to make something similar to this for an earring. So we're just going to do all the steps. So doing the number 1. So as you can see, it's an engrave on this example, but this one is just a score. So we're just going to change it to engrave. Okay. Size doesn't matter as long as the proportions are right. So proportions are really important from the beginning. So what they're suggesting is that you do a rectangle. Oh, it's almost round. 22, say. Okay, so we want one there, and we have another one at the bottom. So we want it about there. It doesn't have to be perfect in this example. So what I would do would highlight all 3 and then horizontal align center. So my trick is that if that and that are not overlapping equally, what I normally do is then highlight that. Actually, it's best to highlight all of it. No, we're going to group it first. We'll group it first. Okay, don't forget to group it. Okay, group it and then highlight all of it. And then what you do is you vertical align center. Horizontal align center. So as you can see, probably not much, but these are exactly the same distance over the line as each other in relation, in proportion to that. So then we have that. So what the issue was that highlighting them all and going on to combine and unite would mean that the one would disappear. So if we go back, so what you need to do is just basically highlight everything and then deselect the one, combine, unite, and then you've got your thing. If you want to have these have perfect circles in the middle, then I would go back a step, and what you could do, make a minus outline. So say -3. As you see from my other videos that this will actually go to -3. You can see that's still -1. So what you need to do is click on this, the plus and the minus, to make it back up to -3, and then it will change. Because even if you press OK, it won't change it. It's a really bad bug. Okay, so we say -3. It's not very strong really, but you get the point. So we press OK, and the same for this one. So we want an outline. So the outline is still 2, so we change it to -3. And you can see it's not changed. So we go to -3.1 and back up to -3. And we press OK. So what we would do, then you've got your perfect circle, so you don't need to worry about that. That is centered. So then a little bit tricky, but highlight the outer circle, the rectangle, and then the other outer circle, and then do your combine. Oh, there you go. So that's an even quicker way, so you make sure you get a hole. Obviously I wouldn't make that because that's super thin, unless you're making it maybe with a thick acrylic. But yeah, so if you thought that was too big, then you just go into outline again. So you can just do a minus outline instead of having to go, oh no, how's that gonna fit? So snapping tools can help, but you don't need to. You know that it's right from the beginning if you do it this way. Thanks for watching.